Everyday use of your keyboard can lead to a buildup of dirt, crumbs, and grime, making it not just unsightly but also harmful to your health. Choosing the right cleaning gel can be overwhelming with so many options available. In this video, we're comparing 5 top-rated keyboard cleaning gels from Amazon, focusing on their effectiveness, ease of use, and value for money. Stay tuned, especially for our number one pick that combines convenience and power in the most unexpected way. ASFKY's Keyboard Cleaning Gel Keyboard Cleaner adheres to. One of the standout features of the ASFKY Keyboard Cleaning Gel is its unique adhesive formula that clings to surfaces, making it perfect for reaching into the tight crevices of your keyboard. This makes it an excellent choice for anyone who frequently eats or drinks near their computer, as it efficiently picks up crumbs and dust that would otherwise be hard to remove. Users appreciate its reusable nature, which means you can clean your keyboard multiple times before it needs replacing. However, it may leave some residue if used on extremely sticky surfaces, so it's best applied to clean dry areas. Moly Magnolia Cleaning Gel. The Moly Magnolia Cleaning Gel offers a delightful scent alongside its cleaning prowess, making it a great choice for those who want a fresh-smelling workspace. This gel is particularly effective for those who have a busy work environment and need something that can tackle tough grime quickly. It does an exceptional job at trapping dirt without the need for excessive scrubbing. Users often find it beneficial for not only keyboards but also for car interiors and other electronics. A minor downside is that its fragrance may be too strong for some sensitive users, so it's worth testing in a small area first. PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel Car Clean Putty. The PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel stands out as a versatile product designed for both car and home use. It's perfect for those who want to keep their vehicles in pristine condition while also maintaining computer peripherals. This cleaning gel is particularly adept at picking up pet hair and lint, making it ideal for pet owners. Many users love how easily it molds into the shapes of their keyboards and car interiors, leaving surfaces spotless. One drawback is that it can dry out if not stored properly, so be sure to keep it sealed after use to maintain its effectiveness. Car Cleaning Gels 4-pack offering a great value. The Car Cleaning Gels 4-pack comes with multiple gels in various colors, allowing users to customize their cleaning experience. Each gel is formulated to adhere to dirt and debris, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to maximize their cleaning efficiency. From office desks to gaming setups, this product is a favorite among tech enthusiasts. Users appreciate the fact that they can keep one gel at home, in the car, and even in their bag for on-the-go cleaning. The only slight drawback is that with multiple colors, they may be less visually appealing to those who prefer a uniform look. ColorCoral Car Cleaning Gel 2-pack Car Clean Putty. Topping our list is the ColorCoral Car Cleaning Gel 2-pack, which offers remarkable cleaning capability combined with excellent value for money. This gel is not only efficient at cleaning keyboards, but also works wonders on various surfaces, including car interiors and mobile devices. Users love its ease of use. Simply press it onto surfaces and watch it pick up dust and dirt like a magnet. It's especially beneficial for those who want a quick, no-mess solution for maintaining their gadgets. A minor downside is that it may take a little time to get used to how much pressure to apply for the best results, but once you master it, it's a game changer. Which keyboard cleaning gel do you think will keep your workspace clean and tidy? Let us know your favorite in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more product comparisons, and click the bell icon so you don't miss our next review.